You pay if you do your hair, nails, buy your outfit, provide vehicle, buy gas, everything for carry out. And all me I get a front.
Crazy.
And you enjoy sex just like me. Just like how me I enjoy catches, you enjoy the dick. And if you're going to have a baby right now, you need this dick. So just like how me need your catches in order to get a baby, it's 50-50, so why I have to do everything while all you do is skin out?
Alright, I'll pause that. The reason why you have to do everything while she just skin out is because that's how we were socialized, sadly. But the thing about it is that the women role change over time while our role remain the same. Now, our role as provider, protector, all these things, that's etched in stone. That are the hieroglyphs, like the Egyptian them writing, etched in a stone. That now go nowhere. But it's the woman role now, it can change and flicker on and off whenever she feel like. Wap. Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you sound like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, so here we have a video of a yard man. One of our G's them, you understand? Because we have to big up all of the yard man them who up on the same road. You understand? I say we have to move in one accord. So we say, I want to talk about Honda, by the way, yeah. So we see our brother here, so giving us the little rundown on how men should date nowadays. And if you watch my content, you would always hear me say, I believe modern men should date like modern women. But in reality, if that happened, everybody's going to be single. But we're going to dive into the video right now because this year, so I really need the younger man them for really tune in to this type of content because things sticky around. You understand? So we're going to dive into the video right now.
Before me look woman nowadays, I have to ask them 3 important questions. First question, what kind of car you drive? You know, drive, strike 1. Who you live with? You live with your parents, strike 2. What kind of work you do? You know work, strike 3. You have to have at least 1 out of the 3 category there. And the most important one is a work. I don't care if you drive, I don't care if you live with your parents, but you have to work.
Pause that real quick. So, I must say, him look for 3 things. Where you live, if you drive, if you have a work. You understand what I say? So we see where a lot of women won't talk to a man if he live with his parents them or live with somebody who are helping pay bills. Them won't talk to a man who don't have a car and drive and take bus. You understand? And them definitely won't talk to you if you're not bringing in the bacon. The bacon is money. So if you don't have a work and you don't have nothing to offer them not paying no mind. No mind is going to be paid towards you. You understand what I say? So he must say, he make sure he ask the girl them 3 questions. Where do you live or who you live with? Do you drive? And do you have a work? But he said the only one that really matter is if she have a work, because work is an indication of ambition. You know, somebody can work towards car and them can work towards getting them own a place. But if you don't have a job, red flag, whistleblower.
Alright, pretty facts. If me not have car, you don't want me.
True.
If me not have my own place, you don't want me.
True.
If me not have money, you don't want me.
True.
So me either have to work, or I have to do fraud, or I have to sell my body or whatever, because you don't care where money come from. You know? You just want to know say the man have money. Because I don't found that body man and you don't care. Because as long as he give you the money, it no matter where money come from.
Hold on, go pause that. This is true. We see a lot of people, even man, but just for the sake of this content we are talking about the booby them, we see a lot of booby excuse a whole heap of thing and totally get rid of them moral, them kill them morals, strangle the morals just for their own or they with man who have bread. You have some girl that grew up in some great home, Zine, and then just go and push their moral values and principles aside just because the glitz and the glamour. We see enough people go Hollywood and them start do certain things where them never used to do before them get the bus. We see enough artists when them get the bus, them start move different. Money will change people. And we can see what the dog say. It's facts. So go continue in that video right now.
Anyways, me have to have them the things in order for me get you. But you don't have shit to offer. And I can't understand the double standard. They like, you have so much requirement, but you don't have meet phone requirement them. Like, me if you find car, if me I go out, me have to put gas in my car, me have to go buy food, and if we are gonna have sex, me have to find house. And what you have, all you go find is the catches you get for 19 how long, Where 100 other man get here already. That's all you have to offer.
Alright, go pause that right quick. What the G said, totally right. And let me tell you this, we as man, we have a part for play in excusing a lot of these females' dirty behavior. Because let me tell you this right now. Them sex sells, right? Everybody is moving into that direction right now. The TV show them, especially the music. Everybody who is selling something or have some type of service, if them can incorporate sex in it, they are going to do that because sex sells. No, it's been this way for the longest because we've been socialized to think that women are the prize. Zine, women are the prize, so we cater to the prize. But then I got older and I'm like, wait a minute. If women are the prize, shouldn't they have everything to offer? Shouldn't they be the ones who have leverage? Shouldn't they be the ones who can improve my quality of life? Why are they considered a prize when I'm basically feeding them? I should be considered a prize. Because if I don't have a house, I'm not going to get no vaginal cavity. If I don't have a car, I'm not going to get no vaginal cavity. And listen, women will give vaginal cavity to men who are useless because they themselves are useless. But I'm not talking about those women. I'm talking about women of substance. Women of substance will not mess with you if you have nothing to offer. And you got to remember, that's the female's nature. Hypergamy is real. All of these women are looking for the highest bidder who got the most to offer, and they will level up every time they can. Don't take offense. That's just their nature. That's why I'm going to tell each and every one of owner as man, stay up on a purpose, because your purpose is going to be the reason why she fucks with you, bro. Your purpose is going to be the reason why you elevate in life. Without a purpose, you're going to get no vaginal cavity. I need you guys to understand that. Don't be angry that these women like money. Just know that you need to make money so you can get them and live your life how you want it. Whether you're going to take them serious or not, or you take them serious, but you have to be on your purpose. Women don't want men who don't have nothing. So get something and then they will come and chase you. Don't chase no woman, brother. Sound cliche, but everybody know it already. Don't, bro, chase bread, women chase you, bro. Cliche as hell, but it's facts.
You pay if you do your hair, nails, buy your outfit, provide vehicle, buy gas, everything for carry out. And all me I get up front.
Crazy.
And you enjoy sex just like me. Just like how me I enjoy catches, you enjoy the dick. And if you're going to have a baby right now, you need this dick. So just like how me need your catches in order to get a baby, it's 50-50. So why I have to do everything while all you do is skin out?
Alright, I'll pause that. The reason why you have to do everything while she just skin out is because that's how we were socialized, sadly. But the thing about it is that the women role change over time while our role remain the same. Now, our role as provider, protector, all these things, that's etched in stone. That are the hieroglyphs, like the Egyptian them writing, etched in a stone. That now go nowhere. But it's the woman role now, it can change and flicker on and off whenever she feel like her femininity is conditional. Or if I don't feel like he's the right man, or if he's not masculine enough, I'm not going to be submissive. Submission or femininity should be born. You should be born with, not submission, but femininity is something you should be born with. It should not be something that's conditional. It's something you can turn on and off. It should be 50-50. Without you and me, there is no child. I have to put in 90% of the effort in every aspect, economics, physically, mentally, everything, and you just come and just open your legs up. That is a bad trade-off for men. And we see, because men role remain the same and women role them can just change all over. Men want their roles to change too. What is all this talk about equal rights and this and that? You guys can do what we do and you can do it better. We want to see that. We want to see that. This generation that you guys are complaining about, you guys got to complain it to femininity. I mean feminism. Feminism is the reason why men are dealing with you guys how we deal with you nowadays. We don't see you as this fragile human being anymore. We see you as an equal human being that is ready to compete in the world. Not some damsel in distress. Oh my God, help me please. Or I'm going to take my jacket off and put it in the puddle. Men don't look at you like that anymore. And you have to blame feminism. Feminism is the reason why you are now looked at like an equal partner or an equal player on the playing field nowadays. Chivalry is dead. And y'all killed it. Let's continue.
Boy, man, just have it hard. Cause right now, a man who work a Super Plus can't get a woman who work a Super Plus. Because she go say she don't want no broke man. But me, I get the same pay. So you is a broke girl and me is a broke man. I don't know as I talk about matching energy, so make we match energy. Let's match the brokenness. You broke and me broke. I say it already, I say it again still. I man them my problem, you see me? Because woman them set standards and the man them now no standards. So that's a problem, you see me?
I want to go past that. That youth here, him have the money, him lick the nail on the head right then and there when him say, man nah set no standard for themselves. But 10 minutes ago, I told you, not even 10 minutes, because I don't even record for 10 minutes now, but 5 minutes ago, I told you in the same video that we should date like women. And if men start dating like women, having boundaries and having expectations, everybody would be single. Because a lot of the expectations women won't carry through or won't follow through with granting these wishes to the men, because they're gonna be like, well, who are you and why are you expecting this much? Oh, you think because you're a man you deserve for me to cook? No, these are things that we cooking, cleaning, you living in a house, yeah, benefit from it too. So a lot of them want to complain about doing these basic life skills, basic life chores, just because you're getting a part of it. They would do it themselves, 100%. How many times you've heard women say, oh, I'll pay 100% of my bills before I split bills with a man? It's because you are seen as a wallet, my bro. You are seen as nothing else but an ATM, a wallet, money transfer, Western Union, Cashapp, PayPal. That's who you are, my bro. If a woman come in a relationship expecting you to do everything, bro, or majority while she just reap the benefits, bro, leave her alone. Of course, a man should take majority of the workload, but if she is not taking a suitable amount where he can save and have something in the back end, you're not a good person. And a lot of men need to start dating like women. The youth have it right there on the money. We have to have all these things just to get little vaginal cavity, and all she gotta do is just open her legs and grant us the vaginal cavity, and she get everything. Men need to start dating like women. We need to have expectation. We need to have standards. He's right. We as man, we are the problem bad, bro, because the woman them don't make it known already. They expect this from we. Oh, you gotta be working. You gotta drive your own car. This, that, yo. When I just started dating in Atlanta, this girl asked me if my house I'm living on you and the car me are driving you. Hypergamy is real bad, bro. But just come America broke now, I make no money. I'm like, god damn, like, and she's younger than me. And I'm like, miss, you know, just start college. We are worried about car, house, and work. But me I tell you about, bro, we need to start date like woman again. We gotta keep say it until I'm tired of me. Anyway, go continue.
As if a woman would talk to you if you don't have certain things, why you would talk to she and she don't have certain things, isn't me? You have to set standards, man, but I don't broke your man them bad. But me not break no girl bad. Me grew up come see my mother work for me a picnic, and my mother soon 15 and she still at work. My grandmother, same thing, two woman raise me, no man no raise me. So me know say woman can do certain things. That's why me have a woman and she a try, me will help her better herself. But guess what, me not take care of no girl, cause no girl know my pitney, you see me? Me not have no daughter, son me get.
Alright, me like that. Me like how him finish that video, because you see, when we talk about our moms doing what needed to be done, right? It highlights it is way more than possible for you as a woman to work and also work hard. No, they're saying if the man had did what he did, or if the man had stepped up and did what needed to be done, be a man, protect and provide, your mom wouldn't be working hard by herself. Look, I'm gonna tell you this. What that did, it's unfortunate, but what single parent mom households did is show the world that women are not helpless and hopeless, weak, battered and bruised women. Women are strong as hell. And you gotta respect that. And I respect a strong woman just because I grew up in a mother household. Seen? And even though it have its perks and it have its negative, the pros and the cons, because none of the youth, they may come out of the mother household right now super emotional, because why women are emotional. So her characteristics are gonna come on you unless you make sure you make it your duty. Yo, me have to come out of the house, man. I have to come out of the house. I can't grow up with my mother and my sister. I two girl this. I'm on the road every day. Regular Park, Christian Pen, What's the Grove, Cedar Grove. We're all over the place with my dog them. Because I not make no woman grow me. Is a woman grow me, but woman can't alone grow me alone. You mad? Would have been a big girl, brother. Big girl. So, I say, I know, say, we've seen them. And those men are the product of fatherless homes. Now, a lot of women will say the reason why you see your mom working hard is because she had to. The reason why you don't want to work is because of tradition. The reason why that is tradition is because your great-grandmom could not work. Your great-grandmom was basically your great-grandfather's property. She couldn't work or vote. So therefore, the husband would have to take care of the house. Now that you guys opened the floodgate for equality and everyone is on equal playing ground now, you guys are still complaining about men not being men when you have the opportunity now to be great. To be great how you guys want to be great. You guys fought for this lane. You have it, and yet still we see no cars being driven in that lane. I don't know what's next, but I can tell you this right now. You see that youth here? I well want to see more content from him. If anybody know him, make sure to tag him in a video or whatever. I'm like that youth, I'm like his message. Bless up yourself, bad bro. I'm bless up Uno. One Nation and Imara Nation. Merch coming soon. You understand what I say? Up move. Blessings and honor. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I feel damn good today. Boom, clear. Up move. Una na go home. Una na blood clot go home.